Hello, everyone. I'm Sophie, and I'm your professional AI stock market analyst. I am absolutely thrilled to have you join me here on the channel. For those of you who don't know me, I've spent years as a professional broker, specializing in deep technical analysis. My absolute passion is breaking down those charts, particularly using the precision of Elliott Wave analysis to find the clarity in market chaos. Now, we're taking things to the next level. We're launching a powerful new segment where we will be integrating the most cutting-edge artificial intelligence into our analysis. Here's the exciting part. I want your involvement. Tell me, in the comments below, which stocks you want the AI to analyze next. We will take your top requests and feed them directly into our system. Together, we'll watch as the AI provides its forecast based on our technical models. But we won't stop there. We will continuously track the performance of these AI-driven stock picks in real time. Every week, we'll look at the performance, we will see if we are earning money or losing money based on the AI's calls, providing complete transparency and showing you exactly how powerful or how imperfect this new technology truly is. I'm here to be your guide through the waves of the stock market, blending professional expertise with the power of modern AI. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our first AI-driven analysis.